this one's not that bad. The day after tomorrow, it's Christmas, okay? It's Christmas. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear nothing about Thanksgiving. We're skipping Thanksgiving. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear nothing about your turkey, your family, who's coming into town, the food you ate. I don't want to hear any of it. Okay, we're going straight to Christmas. You're only one country. Nowhere else celebrates Thanksgiving. So I got me some bread. Nutella.
And then jam, because I couldn't find jelly preserves.
They have Milo Kit Kats. Cereal in a bag. Apparently these are limited time, like limited edition Pocky. Okay, wait, this one's not that bad.
Are you okay?
Oh, no, it didn't hit me, but the potato.
No! Wash it, wash it!
Yeah. I have to convert the Fahrenheit because I don't know Celsius. This is the part where I don't want to do. This is to heat it in my translator. The middle is white.
Oh my god!
Is that normal? I'm glad I showed you. How did I miss it?
Again?
Oh my god, why is this happening? It's so sad. It looks extra bad because it was not, the non-stick on the schools or the dorms pans were clearly not working and it just got stuck. So now I gotta clean that and I'm soaking it. I got overcooked / normal salmon, but I don't care, I'm eating it, so I'm not feeding it to a family of 4. This fork is so little. I'm gonna try a piece.
You better stop!
It's not bad. So that was, I'd say for me, it was, it's like, ugh. Wow, my body won't even let me lie. I think it was a success. I have not tried any Kit Kats here. I know Japan's known for their Kit Kats because they have an atrocious amount of different flavors. I'm gonna snap it. Why was I hit with random bitterness and then it went away? That was so weird. I love Pocky, but I only go for like, in America I would have either cookies and cream or strawberry, and while I've been here I've only tried strawberry, so I'm like, let me mentally prepare myself and actually order something I've never tried. But I don't really mess with the smell. It was not bad. I judged it. I think things always smell worse than they taste. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching me fail, and I basically almost burned myself. Like, I see the marks on me, like the little pop 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 that was happening. It's like pop, pop, pop. That should be fine, right? I'll just be more careful next time. I did not know that was gonna happen right when I put the potatoes. Let me stop talking. I cannot save myself. I'm done. See you guys next video.